Good morning, all of you. Good morning, my dear friends. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? So, guys, I welcome all of you in BYJU'S Exam Prep, India's most comprehensive preparation app. Guys, first, let me confirm or let me know that basically is audio video clear? Everyone, please let me know that is audio video clear? Good morning, everyone. Yes, audio video is all clear, guys, and I request you to please share this session with your friend as soon as possible so that we can start with the bang. And guys, we will be continuing our learning, which basically Abhinav sir, Joshit sir has continued, right? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Simant ji, Prasad ji. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Aman ji. Good morning. Shantanu ji, I'm all good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your love. Guys, please do share the session with your friends so that we can start as soon as possible. Today we are going to discuss surveying marathon, and guys, basically from complete subject, I have brought 45 beautiful questions for you. If you practice these questions only, then definitely you'll be improving your concepts. That is my guarantee. And basically the questions which will be coming in your GATE exam will be coming on the similar concepts only. So it's my humble request, please continue till the end of the session. Yes, Shantanu ji, बहुत दिन बाद, right? देर आए but दुरुस्त आए. Harita ji, good morning. Manish ji, good morning. Aman ji, good morning. So guys, please do share the session with your friends. And shall we start the session? Ready to go? Please let me know in the comment box, live chat section. Please let me know in the comment box or live chat section. Shall we start the session? Please let me know. Please give me thumbs up emoji, guys, so that we can start the section. Subhi Kuti ji, good morning. Varisha ji, good morning. Teja ji, good morning. Let's start the session, guys. So guys, surveying marathon, which we are doing today, right? This is my profile. I'm Ankit Sharma, an ex-IAS officer having teaching experience more than 12 years. And guys, basically I have written lot many books for you, lot many material for you during my these 12 years of tenure, right? So guys, let's start the session. Now, this is our core group of faculties. Right now, guys, basically what you have to do, see, we are giving you all free education over here. So you just have to do one thing: like, share and subscribe. You have to like the session. If you like the quality of teaching, then only like the session. I'm not requesting you to like it uselessly, right? And basically, if you find it helpful, then please do share with your friends also, because knowledge is for spreading. Yes, knowledge is to be spread among our friends. So please do share with your friends, and please do subscribe our channel so that you get the notification. You get the notification of the futures further classes like this. Right now, let us start. This is the question. So guys, let us go for the question. So the question is the difference in the length of an arc and its subtended chord on the Earth's surface. Will be how much? Right? So what is the answer to this? Earth's surface for 18.5 kilometers is about. So guys, what is the answer to this? So what they are telling, basically they are telling that this is our Earth's surface, right? A and B. So my arc length AB is 18.5 kilometers. right? This is 18.5 kilometer. Then what will be my chord length AB? 18.5 kilometer minus how much? Minus how much? Okay, Rituraj ji has given an answer and deleted it. Shantanu ji is giving the answer as B. Guys, I want this answer from you because this is a very basically controversial answer. Rituraj ji is giving answer B. Naresh ji, good morning. Naresh ji is also giving it B. Guys, this is a very controversial answer. Many people give this answer as wrong. Can I know the answer in the comment box, guys? Everyone. Guys, please let me know the answer in the comment box. Please let me know the answer in the comment box. Just give me a moment. Let me reframe this slide again. Guys, I'm waiting for your answer in the comment box. What is the answer? Answer is 1 centimeter, guys. Answer is 1 centimeter. Answer is 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter. To be accurate, if I tell you exactly, then the answer is 7.56 mm somewhat. Answer is 7.56 mm somewhat, but we take it as 1 centimeter as per the options. As per the options, we take it as 1 centimeter. Now, many authors have given their different answers to this, but the correct answer is 1 centimeter if you derive it. I'm telling you the procedure to derive it, right? But I'm not going to derive it over here. If this is, see, we consider Earth as a sphere. Each of you are aware about this fact. We consider Earth as a sphere, right? So this is 18.5 kilometer. This is the case R. This is my radius, which is 6400 kilometers, or you can take it as 6370 kilometers also. This is my radius. This will be my point O, right? Now, with the help of this, you can determine this theta. With the help of this arc and with this radius 6370 kilometers, you can derive this theta, right? Rupesh ji, good morning. Masoor ji, good morning. Grishma ji, good morning. Good morning, all of you. You can derive this value of theta, right? Now, with the help of same value of theta, you can have a angle bisector to this, right? This will be theta by 2. And you can get L by 2. You can get this length, right? Because we know the radius. Then basically that L will be twice this, that twice L will be this length. This is my length L. That is the twice of it, right? And we can get the difference of 18.5 kilometers. We can get the difference of 18.5 kilometers minus L, and this will be coming somewhat 7.5 mm, right? Just for your information, right? That's why we take it as 10 mm. Agreed, everyone? Understood? Clear? You can do this exercise on yourself, but no need to do the exercise on yourself, because in an exam nobody will ask you the derivation, but just for your confidence you can perform this exercise. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Now, let us move to the next question, guys. This is my second question. The effect of curvature of Earth's surface is taken into account only if the extent of survey is more than 195.5 kilometers square, second 200 kilometers square, 250 kilometers square, 260 kilometers square. So guys, what will be the answer to this? Can I have the answer, please? Can I have the answer to this? PMG is giving answer as A. Prathamesh ji is giving the answer as A. Naresh ji is giving answer as A. What about others? Everyone, please give. If you are present in the, basically, if you are watching this live, then take the benefit of the live chat section, right? Right, Grishma ji has given the answer A. Very good everyone, very good. Answer would be A. Answer is A. Right guys? Answer is A. Very good guys. Next question. Let's not waste your time. Move to the next question. Which of the following vernier is employed in abney level? Yes, Rituja Raji, that's why I am giving correction to it, right? Ritu Raji, I am giving correction to it. Don't worry, brother. Answer to third. Question number third. Which of the following vernier is employed in abney level? Give the answer. Give the answer. I am waiting for the answer. Okay, extended D. Somebody is telling C. Many people are telling C, double folded vernier. Okay, see, let me tell you, guys, this retrograde vernier, this is obsolete. Obsolete means it is no more in use. Sahab, ab ye band ho chuka hai. Like Maruti 800 is obsolete on the roads. Right? It is no more in use. That is obsolete. Right? Clear? Double vernier. This is available in case of theodolite. Right? In case of theodolite. Double folded vernier. Like some of you are giving the answer as double folded vernier also. Right? Then the answer of double folded vernier is that basically it is present in an instrument called as sextant. Basically, sextant is used to measure the angles, right? Measure the angles. Now, extended vernier. Basically, this is present in abney level. Abney level. Basically, abney level is an instrument which is used to measure the slope of the ground. That is an instrument which is used to measure the slope of the ground. Clear, guys? So, shall we move to the next question? Okay, Rituraj, you are asking this for which one? Least count of 5 second, 5 minute or 10 minute. You are asking this for which instrument? Rupesh ji. You are asking this for which instrument? Please let me know. See, we cannot tell the least count right now. See, straightforwardly, Rupesh ji, you cannot tell the least count. Like basically in case of theodolite, in general case your least count is 22nd. But you have theodolite available having the least count of 1 second also, brother. Right? So you cannot directly climb on the least count. Basically this will be the least count. C and D ka least count, sir. That's what I am telling you. That's what I am telling you. See, Santanu ji and Rupesh ji, least count is something that depends on S by N. That is very subjective. Least count depends on S by N, where S is one division of main scale. One division of main scale. And N is number of division on vernier scale, right? So basically this least count of any instrument will be depending on these two factors. So we cannot be judgmental about it ki basically the least count of this particular instrument would be this only. We cannot tell straightforwardly. Right? This is the concept behind it. Now you tell, can I tell you this would be the least count of this instrument? No, not possible. See, if I have the change in these values, If I have the change in these values, then it would be different. Now, you can take the judgment on yourself only. See, you have a 1 meter tape, right? You have basically the measuring tape which you used to use during our college days, right? That metallic tape. Secondly, we have a 15 centimeter scale. We have a vernier scale, right? And we have a staff. All of them are kind of a scale, measuring scale. But all of them have same least count? The answer is no. Straightforward no. Right? So you cannot be judgmental about it. Next question. The plan of a map was photocopied to a reduced size such that a line originally 100 mm measures 90 mm. Right? So this is giving us the information about shrinkage, right? The map has shrunk. The original scale of the plan was 1:1000. The revised scale is, can I tell guys, this revised scale is nothing but my shrunk scale. Right? This revised scale is nothing but my shrunk scale. Yes or no? Right? Because there is a case of shrinkage of map over here. So I know this formula or this concept that shrinkage factor is equal to shrunk scale divided by original scale. This is my fundamental concept, right? This is my fundamental concept. Let us try to get the answer. Yes, you guys are right. Answer would be B. So basically my shrunk scale would be equal to how much? Shrinkage factor into original scale. Shrinkage factor is how much? Basically 90 mm by 100 mm, right? Shrunk length by original length. So 90 by 100, that is 0.9 into 1 by how much? 1000, that is my original scale. So this will be 1 upon, right? So answer would be Bombay. B, Bombay. Very good. Very good. Rupesh ji, Shantanu ji, Teja ji, PM ji, Aman ji, Grishma ji, Rituraj ji. Very good guys, very good. So this is our answer. Clear everyone? Any more doubt in this? Shall I move to the next question? Let's move to the next question guys without wasting your time. Next question. The question is, during chaining along a straight line with a 20-meter chain, the leader of the party has 4 arrows in his hand, while the follower has 6 arrows. The distance of the follower from the starting point is. It's a very beautiful question guys. Very, very beautiful question. Can I know the answer in the comment box? It's a very intellectual question rather. Shall I tell you the concept of this? Everyone please let me know in the comment box. Shall I let you know the concept of this? Yes, everyone is giving the answer, correct answer as C. Sorry, Bombay. That is 6 chain. Everyone is giving the correct answer as Bombay. That is 6. Masoor ji, Rituraj ji, Naresh ji, Grishma ji, Teja ji. Very good. Shall I tell you the concept of this or shall we move to the next question? Do you want the concept or the story behind this or shall I move to the next question? Okay, fine guys. It seems that let's move to the next question. Everybody is clear about this, right? So next question please. The question is the angle between the index glass and the horizontal glass. Okay, Amanji, I will tell. I'll tell. Simanji, I'll tell the concept. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll tell the concept after this question. I'll tell the concept of previous one. Right? Definitely, Masoorji, I'll tell the concept. Definitely, I'll tell the concept. Khanj Saab. Definitely Durgesh ji, I'll tell the concept. Don't worry guys, don't worry. First, let me know the answer of this. The angle between the index glass and the horizontal glass of a box sextant is 40 degree. The horizontal angle between the 2 points cited by the instrument is. So what is the answer to this? What is the answer to this? What is the answer to this? Yes, Khanji, definitely I'll tell you the concept of the previous one. Definitely. After this question, I'll tell you the concept of the previous one. Don't worry. Don't worry. There is a beautiful concept behind it. I'll tell you. Don't worry. That's a promise. First, give me the answer of this. And guys, if you are liking the session, please do hit the like button. Please do hit the like button. Now, what is the answer to this? Okay. Very good, Rupesh ji. Yes, Santanu ji, Rupesh ji. No, PM ji, it will be not A. Very good, guys. Answer would be D. Answer would be D. Guys, it follows the principle of double reflection. Let us say this is my horizon glass and this is my index glass. Right? So, in this case, what will be happening? We will be having the principle of double reflection over here. Like this is the line, it would get reflected like this, it would get reflected like this. Right? This would be my reflection. If this angle is 40 degree, this angle would be the twice of it, right? The 2 theta. If theta is equal to 40 degree, this angle will be 2 theta, whatever the value of theta is. Whatever the value of theta is, doesn't matter. This would be what? 2 theta. Right? If this is 45, this would be 90. Clear everyone? So answer is D. Now, basically on the previous question, this was the case, right? A chain during chaining along a straight line with a 20-meter chain, the leader of the party has 4 arrows in his hand, while the follower has 6. Let me tell you the concept of this. Rupesh ji, good morning. Good morning. Now, basically, what is the concept in this? Please try to understand. Let us say this is my some chain line. Right? This is our some chain line, and basically the surveying was started from this point. Right? Let us say this is my point A and this is my point B. Right? The end point is B. Now, basically, there are 2 persons involved in this process. One is my leader and second person is follower. Now, who is leader and who is follower? See, we are aware about the fact that every chain or tape will be having 2 ends to it. Right? They will be having 2 ends to it. One end would be a 0 meter end and another end would be a basically our 20 meter or 30 meter end, because generally our length of chain or tape is 20 meter or 30 meter, but in certain cases it could be our 50 meter or 100 meter depending on the available length of chain or tape. Right? So basically what has happened from over here, from this point, the leader has started doing the survey and he is moving in the direction of progress of survey, that is towards point B. Let us say at this point 1, basically his 20 meter chain has the length of the 20 meter chain is over, means he cannot go further forward with the chain in the hand. Right? So what this person is moving, right, and there is a person behind him, right? So this person will enter to mark this end point of the chain length. This person will put an arrow in the ground. He will put an arrow in the ground right over here, and this person will move ahead. Right? So basically he will move ahead. So this person is called as leader, and my person with 0 meter end will be following this person. This person is having 20 meter end. So person with 0 meter end will be following this person. Right? He will be reaching this station 1 and he will take out the arrow from the ground and he will put that arrow in his pocket, and basically he will keep the 0 meter end of the tape at this point. He will keep the 0 meter end of the tape at this point, right? So further this process will continue. He will drive the arrow over here at the second point. Follower will reach this place, take out the arrow, keep the arrow in his pocket, and basically he will keep the 0 meter end at this point, right? Now what is the benefit of this? The benefit of this is this, basically very simple. Can I tell that the number of arrows with the follower or the number of arrows in the pocket of the follower signifies the number of chain length measured? It tells us, it gives us a count that how many times the chain or tape has been kept. Like if you remember that during our childhood we used to play cricket, and sometimes we used to have this basically confusion in our mind that how many balls are balled in an over, right? Everybody knows that basically an over has 6 balls, right? So at those times also during the play we used to get indulged into the play, and the umpire used to get forget that how many balls are being balled by a particular bowler in an over. So what he used to do, he used to keep 6 small stones in his hand, and he used to transfer one stone to another stone after the ball is bowled. So when he has a confusion that basically how many balls are being bowled, he used to check his hand how many stones are there, right? How many stones are there in the left hand, right? It could be left or right depending on the convention what he has developed to it, right? So similarly it is the same process. It is the same process. Basically this is being done to avoid the mistake. To avoid the mistake, that is how many chain length or basically tape length are being measured. To avoid that mistake, we should not forget that. That's what. Now if you know this story, then please know this fact that leader of the party has 4 arrows in his hand. So there is no significance of the arrows in the hand of leader, but yes, there is a significance of the number of arrows with the follower, and the follower has 6 arrows, right? Follower has 6 arrows. So how many chain length are being measured? The chain length are being measured as 6. See, Masoor ji, he can mark on the ground with a stick. I do agree with this fact that, but this is not a standard procedure of surveying. See, this is called a jugaad technology in our country, right? And I would also use the same word for it. It's a makeshift arrangement in English. In Hindi, I would call it as a jugaad technology. In English, I would translate it as makeshift arrangement technology. Right, brother? So that's not a standard procedure. That's not a standard procedure. This is our standard procedure, which is being told to us. Clear, everyone? Shall we move to the next question? Guys, did you like this concept? Let me know that in the comment box. Please do let me know this in the comment box. Did you like this concept? And did you know this concept before? Govindji, we cannot tell that he is 7 chain because that could be half, quarter or anything. But more than 6. I would rather put it as more than 6. Good, Amanji. Thank you everyone. Govind Sharma ji, got the answer. But more than 6, right? Chaliye. Next. This we have already done. Next question. Hypotenuse allowance is given by the expression adopting standard convention. So guys, please do let me know what is the hypotenuse allowance. Guys, please do let me know what is the hypotenuse allowance. Please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answer, guys. And do hit the like button, guys. Answer is C. Good morning, Amanji. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good, Rituraji. Very good. Very good. PMG, it will not be D. It will be C. Hypotenuse allowance. Masoor ji, Santanu ji, Teja ji, Naresh ji, Grishma ji, Prathamesh ji, Rituraj ji, Aman ji, and second Aman ji. Very good, guys. Next question. Next question. The correction for SAG is sometimes additive and sometimes subtractive. Always additive, always subtractive, 0. This is a very controversial question, or basically students have many doubts about this. So what is the answer? What is the use of hypotenuse allowance? Masoorji, the use of hypotenuse allowance is same as correction for slope. Is same as correction for slope. Right, Masoorji? That is same as correction for slope. PMG, Prathamesh ji, Teja ji, Rupesh ji, Santanu ji, Tasmania ji, Naresh ji, all giving answers. Aman ji, both Aman ji are giving the answer as C. Right, answer is C. Answer is C. Very good, guys. Correction for SAG. Right? Correction for SAG. CS. CS. That is nothing but minus small w square into L cube divided by 24n square p square. Right? This is small w is weight per unit length of the tape or chain tape rather. L is basically the length of suspended tape. N is the number of basically base, right, in which the tape is being suspended, and P is the pull applied in the field. P is pull applied in the field. Right? So this is our answer, negative. Next question, guys. Clogging of chain rings with mud introduced with error defined in a standard way. With error defined in a standard way. Negative cumulative error, positive cumulative error, compensating error. Compensating error. So guys, can I have the answer, please? Can I have the answer, please? Guys, waiting for your answer in the comment box. Think and answer. Think and answer, please. Okay. PMG is giving answer as 1. Masoor ji as positive cumulative. Prathamesh ji as C. Rupesh ji as D. Shantanu ji as C. Teja ji as B, Naresh ji as B, Sabhi Kutti ji as C. Now, please understand this fact that, can I tell that during the clogging of chain rings with the mud, can I tell that actual length will be shorter. Actual length will be shorter. Yes or no? And this will be my true length. This will be my true length. We know that error is equal to measured value minus true value. Right? So, error would be how much if measured value is greater than true value? It will be positive, right? It will be positive. And since it's a positive error, it will get added up in every measurement. That's why it is being told as positive cumulative error. So this is right, this is wrong. This is definitely wrong because error is defined in a standard way. Because error is defined in a standard way. Right? Ritik ji, good morning. So answer would be B, Bombay. Very good, guys. Is it clear? So some of you, I have been observing that basically some of you had doubts over here. So is that doubt clear now? Okay, PMG is telling sir not understood this. Right. See how positive. Okay, fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. See, let us understand this. Basically, you have a chain, right? These are the rings of the chain. You can see basically my hand, the palms, these are the palms, right? These are the rings of the chain. These are the rings of the chain, right? Now, there is no mud between them. So, this is the case like this. Now, when something comes in between to it, right? There is mud in between to it, right? So, how do I show it to you? Right? Let us say this is the mouse in between to it, right? So, in this case, what will be happening? This is the mud, the mouse is representing mud in between to it, right? Right? So it is like this. So basically in that case, these will not be attached to each other, rather there will be a gap between them. So basically this was the previous length, now the length is what? Shorter. See, you can see my right hand moving. I'm assuming the place of the ring is same over here. So this was the previous case and now this is the case. Right? So the actual length has become shorter. Actual length has become shorter. So the true value will be less than the measured value. I'll be measuring the length as 20 meter, but in reality the length would be somewhere less than 20 meter. Let us take this as 19 meter. So error would be +1 and correction would be -1, since the error is being asked over here. So the answer would be what? Positive cumulative error. Very good. Now, Shantanu-ji is asking, Shantanu-ji is asking, can you tell difference between cumulative and compensating? Rupesh-ji, you are bang on target. Bang on target. See, what is the meaning of Shantanu-ji cumulative? Cumulative is something which is getting added on. Right? Let us say every day you are saving 1 rupee. You have a piggy bank with you and you are saving 1 rupee in that piggy bank every day. So every day you are saving 1 rupee, right? At the end of 30 days, what will be the amount with you? The total amount, the cumulative amount with you. That will be 30 rupees, right? So that is something called as cumulative. How much you have accumulated. How much you have accumulated. Right? Got this point? And in case of compensating, what is happening? Basically, this compensating error, the word is being associated with the word as, or particularly the error as, that is called as random error. Random error are those errors whose magnitude and direction is random in nature. That's why we cannot define them and we take the help of theory of probability to analyze them. So their magnitude is also changing and their basically direction is also changing. So what happens when we club many measurements together for the same, right, for the same quantity, then basically some of the errors would be positive, some of the errors would be negative. So basically when we add them, these positive and negative errors would be cancelling each other, but they will not be cancelling it 100%. They would be partially cancelling each other. They would be partially compensating each other. That's why random errors are also known as compensating error, because their nature is of compensating. In this case, basically it will get added up because these errors are in same direction always. Right? राहुल जी, जियोमेट्रिक्स इंजीनियरिंग से कैसे फुल मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं सर जी? राहुल जी, आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल, पढ़ाई करके। राइट, आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल, पढ़ाई करके दोस्त, और कोई चारा नहीं है। Can we minimize or avoid it? See, Shantanu ji, compensating error can never ever be avoided 100%. Their effect can be minimized. Always their effect can be minimized to some extent. I guess this is clear now, guys. देखो साहब, many people do ask me very silly questions at times. And these are definitely silly questions that, sir, how to get good marks in GATE? Then they expect that I should tell them an answer that go and purchase Hypotenuse from the market, drink it, because Hypotenuse is basically a syrup available in the market. If you drink that syrup, one complete bottle of Hypotenuse, right, till your exam, just finish that Hypotenuse bottle and you will get rank 1. Guys, there is no syrup available in the market. And deep inside, you guys are also aware about it. There is only one method to get success in the exam. That is basically study hard, prepare hard, revise hard, and test yourself hard. That's it. That's it. Right? Naresh ji, I will tell it later, brother. Right? See, I cleared ES, right? And I know what hard work I have put in. I know what hard work I have put in. So guys, anybody who is giving you a result, they has worked very hard. Like for you, you may be thinking that, oh fine, sir knows a lot, we are asking questions to sir and sir is immediately giving the answer. How? What is the reason behind it? Because I have studied it enough. I've put in hard work over here. That's why when you are asking me a question, I'm knowing the answer, right? So that's what the case. There's no, see guys, I'll tell you one thing. See, everybody is interested in result, but nobody is interested in the process. Nobody is interested in the process, and result is function of process. Result is function of process, right? See, Rohit Sharma, such a talented batsman, but after getting into the process again, like Virat Kohli does, he got the result. So there is a saying in the English that hard work beats talent. I repeat, hard work beats talent when talent stops working hard. Hard work beats talent when talent stops working hard. Like for example, if I stop teaching or if I stop studying surveying, I still study till date, right? I keep on updating my knowledge every time. I keep on updating my knowledge. So if I stop updating my knowledge and I stop working hard, then you guys can replace me over here. Very easy. It's very easy, right? And that is something good. That is something good. So that basically nothing is permanent, right? Next question, guys. So Rahul ji, I guess I have given you an answer which you might not have liked it, brother, but this is a bitter truth. This is a bitter truth. See, as being your teacher, it's my responsibility to be truthful with you, right? So I have given you the correct answer, brother. If you like it or if you don't like it, it doesn't matter to me much, because my responsibility, my job is being truthful with you. A teacher is also like a parent. They have to guide you in the correct direction, right? Further, next question. True meridians at different places converge from South Pole to North Pole, from equator to North and South Poles, from North Pole to South Pole? None of the above. Please give me the answer. Guys, do hit the like button. True meridians, different places converge from South Pole to North Pole, from equator to North and South Pole, from North Pole to South Pole. What is the answer to this? Guys, very thoughtful question. PMG is giving the answer as D, Abhishek ji as B, Harita ji as C. Guys, see, it's such a simple question. You have to just imagine the earth surface, right? Let us say this is my earth surface, this is my equator. This is my equator. Now, let us have basically this as North Pole and this as South Pole. Right? Now, if I connect North Pole and South Pole over this earth surface or over this spherical surface, I will be getting some lines which are called as longitudes, and these longitudes are nothing but my meridians, right, which are called as true meridians. And you can see that from North Pole these lines are diverging, right, and at equator the lines are parallel to each other, and at South Pole again these lines are diverging. Right, this is the free body diagram of it. This is the free body diagram of it. So, they are converging from North Pole to South Pole, this is wrong. From South Pole to North Pole, this is also wrong. What is the answer? Bombay. Because at equator they have become parallel, and from equator they are converging. See, this is called as diverging. If you see from the perspective of North Pole, right, from this perspective, then it is diverging. But if you see from this perspective, it is converging, right? So it is just a matter of perception. Yes, Masurji, agreed. So what is the answer? From equator to North and South Pole. The figure is before you. Clear, everyone? Next question. So, azimuth is a true bearing, magnetic bearing, arbitrary bearing, none of the above. What is the answer? What is the answer? Very simple question, guys. If you are liking the session, please do hit the like button. Please do hit the like button. What is the answer? Thank you, PMG. Okay. I'm getting so many answers over here. Shall I break this matter of doubt among you guys? Shall I break it? Right answer is D, none of the above. Answer is D, none of the above. ओके शंतनु जी, आपके मन में सवाल आया था, बहुत बढ़िया दोस्त. आंसर इज डी, सी. Azimuth means whole circle bearing. Azimuth means whole circle bearing. Now this could be true bearing, it could be magnetic bearing, it could be grid bearing or it could be arbitrary bearing. Right? Yes. Yes, father of all bearings. PMG is writing. Right? It's not MSQ. It's not MSQ. See, we cannot tell ABC also, Tejaji, we cannot tell ABC also because there is a grid bearing also to it, right? So answer is none of them. Clear, guys? Everyone, shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question? Next question. If the whole circle bearing is, guys, do hit the like button if you're liking the knowledge which I'm sharing with you. Do hit the like button, please. If the whole circle bearing is 315 degree 20 minutes, its quadrantal bearing would be. See, they can ask you the same question as either the quadrantal bearing or reduced bearing. Answer would be same. Reduced bearing. Right? So what is the answer to this? We can simply have 360 degrees, since this line is in fourth quadrant, we can have 360 degree minus 315 degree 20 minutes. Right? So how much is this angle? This would be angle 44 degree 40 minutes, right? And it would be north 44 degree 40 minute west, right? So answer would be Bombay. It was an easy question, right? Let's move to next question and let us get to certain tough questions after this question. If the whole circle bearing is 287 degree 15 minutes, the reduced bearing of the line is. The reduced bearing of the line is 287 degree 15 minutes, right? So I have told you basically the reduced bearing will also mean the same thing. 287 degree, right? It will be in, this is north, east, south, west. So this would be the theta, right? 287 degree 15 minutes. So how much will be the answer? Can I tell? This is my alpha. And answer would be nothing but C. Very good. Thank you, Masoorji. Thank you. Thanks a lot, brother. See, your survey became good not because of me. Please try to understand that, Masoorji. Your survey became good not because of me. Your survey became good just because of this thing. Basically, you have put in the hard work. Right? I'm just a median to it. I'm just a median to it. I don't have basically any contribution in it. The large contribution, I have a very small contribution. Basically, if you are having some doubts here and there, I am able to clear it. That's it. But you are the one who has basically, who can have the credit for it, right? I don't have any credit for it. So don't put it me, it's you. Because you have studied, you have put in hard work, right? See, I'm doing it for everyone. I'm doing it for everyone. But somebody takes the advantage of it, somebody doesn't take the advantage of it. Right? So person who's taking the advantage of it is basically put in the hard work. And that's why that person is reaping the fruits of it. देखो फल वही खाएगा साहब जो मेहनत करेगा, राइट। अब जो पेड़ ही नहीं लगाएगा, पानी ही नहीं देगा, ठीक है, जिसने बीज बो दिया, पानी देने में वो आलस कर रहा है, तो साहब पेड़ उगेगा नहीं 5 साल बाद और आम मिलेंगे नहीं। तो बेसिकली मुद्दा क्या है, व्हाट इज द पॉइंट, यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट with your effort daily and daily guys, you will improving basically very little, but one day when you look at that, basically you'll observe tremendous result. Like people go to gym, the first day you'll go to gym, basically you'll not see any improvement in you, but if you'll consistently doing gym for 6 months, then after 6 months you'll observe that you have a good physique, a fit physique, right? So you have to keep your motivation and consistency up to 6 months. Clear? It's a cumulative process. Exactly. Next, this is the question, guys. Please be careful with these questions. Please be careful with these questions. The whole circle bearing of line AB and BC are 30 degree and 120 degree. What is the included angle ABC between the lines AB and BC? Right? I have 3 questions on the basis of this concept only with the same data. Naresh ji is the first one to give the answer. C, that is 270. What about the others, guys? I'm waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Very good, Naresh ji. Yes, answer is C. Everyone, very good. Answer is C. See, let me derive this. Basically, the 4 bearing of AB is 30 degree and for BC is 120 degree. This is 120 degree, right? This is 30 degree. A, B and C. And what is being asked in the question, it is being asked about included angle. Now, what is included angle? That is the angle measured in clockwise direction from the previous line to the next line. At station B, my line AB is previous line. At station B, my line BC is next line. Right? This angle. Right? This angle is my included angle. So the value of this angle is 120 degree. Right? This one plus 90 degree plus, since this is 30, this angle would be 60 degree. So how much it would be, right? This is 210 and plus 60, that is 270 degree. So this is our answer. Welcome, Rupesh ji. Don't worry, Masood ji. I'll clear all your doubts. Don't worry. Just give me 5 more minutes, guys. Just give me 5 more minutes. You will have all your doubts clear with this. Right? Regarding this concept, you will be going without any doubt from this class. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes more. Right? Listen to me patiently. Right? Next question. Let me move to the next question. After 5 minutes, if you want, I can get back on the same questions again. Exterior angle क्या होगा नरेश जी? Exterior angle will be also 270. Right? Next question. This is the question. The whole circle bearing of line AB and BC are 30 degree and 120 degree. What is interior angle ABC? So guys, over here we are not being asked about included angle. We are being asked about what? Interior angle ABC between the lines AB and BC. Right? Between the lines AB and BC. So guys, if you see, again I am drawing the same diagram. See, I have kept the values the same. so that basically we don't get puzzled with the calculation. With the calculation, I have no issues because I know that you guys are capable enough to do the calculation. The problem is not with the calculation, the problem is with the concept. So I'm basically concentrating more on the concept. So this angle is 120 degree and this angle is my 30 degree. Now in the question we are being asked to determine the interior angle, and right, and that angle is my this angle. So this angle will be 30 degree and this angle is basically 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. So the answer would be B, Bombay, 90 degree. I guess no more confusion with this. Right, very good guys, very good. So many of you have given the right answer, that is B. Clear? So in the previous case we are being asked as included angle. Now in this case we are being asked as the interior angle. Understood the difference between the included angle and the interior angle? Guys, please take care about that. Included angle can be my exterior angle or it could be my interior angle. Both ways. That depends on the basically the direction of progress of survey. Right? In this case, my direction of progress of survey is my clockwise. So my included angle will be the exterior one, that is from previous line to the next line. This is my included angle. Right? If my direction of progress of survey is the other way round, like this. This is A, B and C. This is my anti-clockwise. So in this case, my previous line would be AB and my next line would be this. Right? So my included angle will be the interior angle. So deflection angle of the same question would be, okay, if you want the deflection angle, my brother, right, for deflection angle, this line we have to extend. Right? No, Sudhanshuji, we cannot tell that. First, let me answer the question of PMG. So basically, this is 30 degree, right? So this angle is 120 degrees. So the deflection angle, it is towards right hand side. So right deflection angle is 90 degree. Clear, PMG? Now Sudhanshuji is asking, can we say included angle is always less than 180 degree? No, no. Sudhanshuji, please check. If it would be exterior angle, it would be greater than 180. Right? If it is interior angle, it would be less than 180. Clear, Sudhanshuji? Right? It depends on the direction of progress of survey. Cool. Next question. The whole circle bearing of line AB and BC are 30 degree and 120 degree. What is the included angle ABC between line AB and BC? Guys, I want you to please try this question. Garima ji, good morning. Everyone, please try this question. And guys, do hit the like button. If you're liking the session, do hit the like button. And don't hit the like button simply. If you're liking the session only, then please do hit the like button. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer. See, in this question, this forebearing is 30 degree, right? This is 120 degree. Now, if I go by the concept of included angle, I know that it is my, from previous line to the next line, that is my 270 degree. Right? But 270 is not in the option. See, my included angle theta is 270 degree. and theta dash is also my included angle, that is 90 degree. But if you ask me which is the most appropriate one among both of them, then the 270 degree is the most appropriate among both of them. Both are included angle because if you go as per the definition of geometry during our childhood days, when the geometry was introduced to us, it was told to us that it is the angle between two lines, and the angle between two lines in one case is 270, in another case it is 90 degree. That only depends on the perception, how we are looking at it. Now, to get rid of this confusion, in the surveying it is being told that included angle is the clockwise angle measured from previous line to the next line. That has been told to us, right? So both of them are included angle. So I will first look for the most appropriate one, that is 270. But as I can observe, there is no 270 degree over here. There is no 270 degree over here available. Right now, thereafter, after that, I will look for the other option, that is 270 360 minus theta. Right, that is 90 degree. And is that available? Yes, yes, that is available. So this will be my answer. Now, if my options would be like this, basically A, B, C and D, right? This is none of the above, nota, right? And this is 229 degree. Let us say this is basically some 87 degree, and let us say this is 265 degree, right? Then I may go for option D also. I may go for option D also. But if we are having some value over here also, let us say 180 degree, then I may go for the option as C, the most closest one, the most closest one. वेरी गुड अतुल जी, यूपी पीसीएल में आया था, यूपीसीएल. Shantu ji, I guess I made it clear. If 270 and 270 and 90 both are not available, then clear, guys. So now I don't think so any confusion is in your mind with this concept. Everyone clear? Right? How it changes with the option, that should be clear with you. Shall I move to the next question, everyone, guys? See, both are available, then that's not a confusion, brother. Santanu ji, both are available, then that's not a confusion. I have already told you. See, both were available. Then 270 is the answer. Right. So next question. We have already discussed that if both are available. Right. So I have told you that, guys, after 5 minutes you guys won't be having any confusion. And now I believe and I trust that there is no confusion. I believe and I trust that there is no confusion, right? Good. So guys, please go for this question. The magnetic bearing of line AB is south 45 degree east and declination is 5 degree west. The true bearing of line AB is. The true bearing of line AB is. What is the answer? C, right? So this is north, south, east, west. Declination is 5 degree west. So it will be from north direction. This is magnetic north. This is true north. Right? True east, true west, true south. So this is 5 degree. Right? This is the line. The magnetic bearing is how much? south 45 degree east. So basically the true bearing would be how much? 50 degree. So the answer would be south 50 degree east. Very good, everyone. Next question, please. The question is, the following bearings were taken in running a closed compass traverse ABCDA. One would suspect the local attractions at stations. So in this question, see guys, basically we have two kinds of question in this case. One question is in this format, that which stations are free from local attraction and which stations are having local attraction. Which stations are free from local attraction and which stations are having local attraction. So we know this fact that if the difference between back bearing and fore bearing of any line is equal to 180 degree, right? If this difference is equal to 180 degree, then end stations are free from local attraction. Are free from local attraction. Free from local attraction. So we can observe in the question that the fore bearing and back bearing of line BC, CD and DA are not differing by 180 degree. Very good, guys. Right? So basically these stations are having local attraction, but since line AB is having the exact difference of 180 degrees, so basically these are free from local attraction, and in the question it is being asked would suspect local attraction. So A and B are free, so C and D are having what? Local attraction, because there are only 4 stations. Because there are only 4 stations. Good, guys, very good. Very good, everyone. Answer is C. If we have to find corrected bearing from this, वो समझा दो सर। मसूर जी वो बड़ा लंबा प्रोसेस है, बड़ा लंबा प्रोसेस है दोस्त। अगर करेक्टेड बियरिंग निकालना है तो थोड़ा सा, ठीक है, मैं एक जस्ट आइडिया दे देता हूं आपको, चिंता ना करो। सर माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट स्टेशन ए एंड बी may be local attraction but having same magnitude. Yes, Santanu ji, you are absolutely right. There could be same magnitude at station A and B. ठीक है, right? So that they are cancelling each other. But brother, that is not practically possible in the field. That is not practically possible in the field. So it's, if that would be a case, it would be a very, very rare case. It's such a rare case that we don't account it. We don't consider it. Right, so that's why we always tell that basically if there is a difference between fore bearing and back bearing of any line, then those stations are free from local attraction, and we should go in same manner. Right, it's such a rare case that basically we don't consider it, and I do agree with you, but it's such a rare possibility that we don't consider it. Right, now Masoor ji, your question, for your question I would basically tell you this, basically which bearings are correct. This bearing, these four are correct, right? Because station A and B are free from local attraction. So you may consider this 68 degree 15 minute plus 180 degree. So if I do that, how much it would be? 248 degree 15 minutes. Right, this is my true back bearing or correct back bearing of line BC, but the observed one is 246. So correction would be correction at station C, not B. Correction at station C. Correction is true value minus measured value, that is 248 degree 15 minute minus 246 degree 0 minute, right? So that is 2 degree 15 minute. 2 degree 15 minutes. So this correction of 2 degree 15 minutes will be at each and every reading taken from station C. So other than this reading, which is the reading taken at station C? 310 degree. Therefore, correct bearing or correct forebearing of CD will be equal to 310 degree 30 minute minus 2 degree 15 minutes, right? That would be how much? 308 degree 15 minutes, right? Thereafter we can get this value and this value, we can continue like this. Clear, Masurji? This is the process and you may continue. One more step, you will get the answer. Garimaji, clogging means okay, wait. Yes, that is positive. Sorry, my mistake. Right? My mistake. That is positive. Because correction is positive, right? So it would be 312. 312 degree 45 minutes. हाँ बिल्कुल मसूर जी, I agree. I wrote it right. I admit that it was a mistake done by me and I admit it. Right? Garima ji is asking clogging means, see, Garima ji, clogging means basically the choking of something. Right? The choking of something. Clear? That is the meaning of clogging, with some sand, silt or mud. Good. Fine, like you have phone available, right? We have a speaker over here. After some point, we may observe that basically we don't hear a proper sound, right, from this receiver. So basically we just clear it with a brush and we get the proper sound because the pores in it are clogged. Please, Garima ji, ask. I guess I have cleared the clogging one, right? Next, this question. This question. The latitude and departure of a line AB are positive 78 and minus 4.1 meter respectively. The whole circle bearing of line AB. Guys, you can solve this question without using calculator. Without using calculator, you can solve this question. I'm waiting for the doubt. Garima ji, this is north, south, east, west. Latitude is how much? Plus 78, right? Over here. Departure is minus 45.1, so it will be in the west direction. That is over here. So this is my line, right? So the WCB would be this angle and basically it is in fourth quadrant, so answer would be D. Answer is D. 330. Very good. Very good, guys. Clear? Next question. This is the question. Guys, do hit the like button. Guys, do hit the like button. Yes, Masurji. In a closed traverse, the sum of south latitude exceeds the sum of north latitude and the sum of east departure exceeds the sum of west departure. The closing line will lie in. So the question is about the closing line, right? Now, just for your information, closing error or error of closure or closing line. All have the same meaning. All have the same meaning. Now tell me answer to this. Very good, guys. Southeast quadrant. Right? If I draw it like this, the sum of south latitude exceeds the sum of north latitude. So it is over here, the sum of east departure exceeds the sum of west departure. So this is the case. Right? Southeast quadrant. Clear, everyone? Next question. Next question, guys. Ready for it? Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct? And guys, while solving such questions in the exam, there is a humble request from my side. Please underline the word not. Please underline the word not. Not correct. Please let me know the answer. Change point is a point denoting the shifting of level. For leveling work, both centering and leveling of a dumpy level are prerequisite. Benchmark is a point whose RL is always known. None of the above. So what is the answer? Babuji telling D. Okay, fine. Many of you are telling it the answer as D. Very good, guys. PMG is an exceptional. He is telling the answer as B. Please read this now. Everyone, please read this word, centering. Please read this word, centering. Okay, Masurji, heavy snowfall there. There is a heavy rainfall in Delhi. Very good. Where you are coming from, my brother, where you are putting up. Now, if you read the word centering over here, guys, in basically leveling, we don't need centering. Pandey ji, Delhi nahi hoga ji. Because in leveling work, we don't need centering. We can keep the instrument anywhere and take the readings. Okay, Masurji, okay, Kashmir, very good, brother. Beautiful place, and definitely you will expect the snowfall over there, right? And to your surprise, I have never seen snowfall because I don't like basically cold places at all, right? So answer is what? Bombay. Everyone, is there any confusion? Please let me know. Is there any confusion? Please let me know. Everyone agrees to this? Shall I move to the next question? Shantanu is asking regarding snowfall, right? That is my personal choice, brother. That is my personal choice. Okay, Atulji, very good. because I get hibernated during cold weather. Right. Next. The rise and fall method for obtaining the reduced levels of the point provides a check on foresight, backsight, intermediate sight. Which of the above statements are correct? Definitely, Masoorji, if I get an opportunity, definitely I'll come there, but I get very less time, brother. Now, what is the answer? I'll let you know for sure. What is the answer? Answer is D, right? Guys, we are halfway between our marathon session. I have brought nearly 40-45 questions and we are nearly at 22 questions, right? Next, I do believe that you guys are not tired. नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं है, वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे शंतनु जी. राइट, अभी पहले सवाल पे आ जाओ. गिव मी द आंसर. To find the RL of a roof slab of building staff, readings were taken from a particular setup of the leveling instrument. The readings were 1.050 meter with staff on the benchmark and 2.300 meter with staff below on roof slab held inverted, taking the RL of the benchmark as 135.15 meter. The RL of roof slab will be. Yes, very good guys. Very good. Answer is D. See, let us say this is my roof slab. This is my floor. This is my instrument kept over here. Line of collimation, right? This is the reading on the roof slab with the inverted. So it will be 2.3 meters. Right? And this is my kept on some benchmark. And this reading is 1.050 and basically the benchmark RL is 135.15. This is the RL of this point, right? So RL of roof slab, that will be how much? It will be nothing but height of instrument, that is 135.15 plus back side. This reading will be my back side, right? That is 1.050. This is my back side. Now after that, technically we should write minus of minus 2.3 because the staff is being kept inverted. Yes, definitely Shantruji, only one is the greater value, but just to understand this concept I have written this. So it will be 135.15 plus 1.050 plus 2.3, right? And that will be 138.500 meters. Many of you don't know this concept, so for them I have just written it. For them, I have just written it. Clear? Next question, please. So, answer is Delhi. Apart from arithmetic check, the leveling work is best checked by height of instrument method, rise and fall method, closed loop check, open loop check. Can I have the answer of question number 24, please? Thank you, Atulji. Thank you. Answer of this, guys. इंडिपेंडेंट कोऑर्डिनेट कभी अलग से करवा दूंगा पीएमजी, आज वो दस्तूर नहीं है, कभी करवा दूंगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. दैट्स ए प्रॉपर कन्वेंशनल क्वेश्चन. HI method is quick. No, Masoorji, both of them are quick. Both of them are quick. Guys, I guess most of you are giving the answer as B, Bombay, but you have not read the question properly. I truly believe that you guys have not read the question properly. Right. It is written over here, apart from arithmetic check. Right. What is arithmetic check? My arithmetic check is summation backside minus summation foresight is equal to last RL minus first RL. This is in case of your HI method. Now in case of rise and fall method, we have an extension to it, that is summation rise minus summation fall. Right? So this is my arithmetic check. Yes, Devlina ji. Right? So answer would be what? C, that is closed loop check. Closed loop check means that basically, let us say I am doing a survey at all these points, right? I have started my survey from this particular station and I have also finished my survey. At this point my survey was start and this point my survey is finished. Right. Shruti ji, good morning. Right? So basically I know the RL of starting station and I know the RL of my complete station because both of them are same. So that is the point over here. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Shall I move to the next question? Everyone? See, that's why I tell that Ijjat given to the question is directly proportional to Ijjat received. You guys are not reading the question properly. See, the questions are very easy, but it seems that the questions are very tricky, but the questions are not tricky, guys. Actually, we are not giving the proper emphasis on the question. Right. Next. Consider the following statements. Reciprocal leveling eliminates the effect of error due to curvature, error due to atmospheric refraction, mistakes in taking the leveling staff readings, error due to the line of collimation. So guys, what is the answer to this? What is the answer to this? See, just for your information, I may tell you that this, it can never ever be removed. In any circumstances, it can never ever be removed. Right? So third is wrong. This is right, this is right, this is right, and answer would be D, Delhi. 1, 2 and 4. D, Delhi. Very good everyone. Very good. Proud of you guys. Very good. Proud of you. Clear? Yes. Masoorji, that's a golden statement. Mistakes can never be completely eliminated. Right? Next question. 2 point A and B 1530 meter apart across a river. Okay, the reciprocal levels measured as measured are as given below. The true difference in level between A and B would be, right? So it's a question of reciprocal leveling. सवाल क्वेश्चन का नहीं है, सवाल इज्जत का है। बिल्कुल अतुल जी, बिल्कुल। इसीलिए ठीक है, क्वेश्चन को इज्जत दो तो इज्जत जरूर मिलेगी समाज में। क्यों? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन को इज्जत दोगे तो क्वेश्चन आपको इज्जत देगा। इज्जत दो और इज्जत लो, राइट? दैट लॉ इज ऑल्सो वैलिड ओवर हियर। इज्जत दो एंड इज्जत लो। और जब क्वेश्चन को इज्जत दोगे तो क्वेश्चन आपको इज्जत देगा, तो क्वेश्चन बढ़िया तरीके से समझ में आएगा। यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली, यू विल गिव द राइट आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन, and when you will get the right answer to the question, you will get good marks. When you will good marks, you will get good rank. When you will get good rank, you will get good social recognition in the society में आपकी pat होगी, right? So it's a directly proportional. That is my law, right? So what is the answer? Leveling instrument is over here, right? These are my readings. So basically B1 minus A1 plus B2 minus A2 divide by 2. Let us say this is my B1, this is my B2, A2, A1. Right? So it would be 1.6 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 1.3 meters, and answer would be D, Delhi. सर इस क्वेश्चन का अपनी ट्रिक एक्सप्लेन कर देना। डेफिनेटली डोंट वरी, मैं कर दूंगा। अभी एक और सवाल है पांडे जी, आई वॉन्ट यू टू सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस, राइट? Please try this one. Find the following observations were taken during a reciprocal leveling if reduced level of P is 100, RL of Q is, right? So please go for this now. The reduced level of P is given, the RL of Q is to be determined. Sir, how level can be at A and reading can also be at A? Okay. Sudhanshu ji, it means that basically the staff station is kept very close to instrument station. Done, Sudhanshu ji. Basically during the it means that my instrument station is very near to the staff station. That is the assumption of the derivation. So guys, in this case, see, my readings are like this. This is A1, B1, A2, B2. This was my trick. Pandey ji, this was my trick. Right. In previous case, my A1 and A2, A1 and B1 were in rows, but in this case my A1 and B1 are in column. This is the trick we have to take care about, right? And after that it becomes very simple, Pandey ji. That is B1 minus A1 or A1 minus B1, right? Over here B reading is more, so B1 minus A1 plus B2 minus A2 divide by 2. Guys, in such type of question we have to take care of one thing, and that is basically how these readings are varying. are they written in column or they are written in rows? Right? So it would be how much? It would be 1.2 meters and plus 0.8 meter, right? Divide by 2, that is 1 meter. Now we can see that staff reading at Q is greater than staff reading at P, right? So it means that Q is lower than P, right? The RL of P is given, that is 100 meters, so the RL of Q will be what? 1 meter lesser than this, so that is my 99 meter. पांडे जी, you are asking me, sir, कैसे पता चलेगा कि रो और कॉलम लेंगे? देखो, अगर मुझसे बिल्कुल सीधा सटीक जवाब पूछोगे तो मैं कहूंगा रीडिंग देख के, राइट? मुझसे अगर सीधा और सटीक जवाब पूछोगे तो मैं कहूंगा रीडिंग देख के। बट अब अगर, ठीक है, असलियत में मैं आपसे बात करूं, ठीक है, अगर स्टूडेंट और टीचर वाली अगर मैं बात करूं, इफ आई talk in that sense, then basically I'll be telling you by observing the readings. See, please see the table. I don't have to do anything special in this question. See, this difference is very simple, so this becomes very easy for me, right? This is a very easy concept for us, right? There is no rocket science over here. Right? But the same thing I have used in the previous case also. So this is not a problem for me. See, what is the problem to understand? See, basically over here, please see the level is at, right? This. So these are my staff readings. Level is at. These are my staff readings. Now basically what they have done, do you know transpose matrix? Pandey ji, do you know transpose matrix? So the case is not something basically like that. It is like a transpose matrix. It is A1, B1, A2, B2. Right? This is the case over here. Now please check. In the next case, basically now it is written like this. A1, B1, A2, B2, like this. Please read instrument near P, right? And this is the staff readings from that station P. This is the staff reading from that station P. This is the staff reading from station Q. Is that clear to everyone? पांडे जी, अब बात क्लियर हुई और कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है दोस्त इसमें? Yes, row का column and vice versa. Because it's a 2 by 2 matrix, that's why. Good, very good. Next question. Analytic lens provided in a tachymeter is concave, convex, plano-convex, plane lens. So guys, can I have the answer please? Can I have the answer please? Shall I give you the answer to this? Convex. Right? Our answer to this is convex. Very good. Next question. Which one is the correct expression for horizontal distance between instrument and staff for tachometer fitted with analytic lens if S is staff intercept and K and C are multiplying and additive constant. So we know that my general equation is D is equal to KS plus C. Right? This is my general equation, guys, everyone. This is my general equation, D is equal to KS plus C. But since it is being written in the question that my instrument is fitted with some analytic lens, so this C would be 0 and my equation would be D is equal to KS. Guys, it is not necessary 100S. This is not necessary that it will be 100S, because where it is being told that your multiplying constant is 100, it is being told that your multiplying constant is K. So we have to respect it. We have to respect it. Answer would be D, Delhi. Again, you read the question wrong and you gave the answer absolutely wrong. नरेश जी, प्लेनो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस अलग प्रॉपर्टी होती है दोस्त, उसके लिए मुझे ऑप्टिक्स में जाना पड़ेगा, सो लीव इट ओवर हियर. राइट? यस अमन जी, इज्जत. Basically, Naresh ji, we have two types of telescope, internal focusing, external focusing. So let's not get into that. It will become more elaborative discussion and that will not be helpful for the exam also, brother. Clear? That's why, guys, I again and again tell you and request you that please read the question carefully. Please read the question carefully. Right? Next. This one. Which of the following methods of computing area assumes that the short length of boundary between the ordinates are parabolic arcs? Yes. PMG, if I put this in Hindi, what you have written, then basically there is a saying of mine. इस पे भी एक छोटी सी कहावत है जो मैं कहता हूं कि साहब सवाल कुछ भी पूछो, जवाब वही देंगे जो हमें आता है. Yes, Shantanu ji, yes, analytic lens is used to make C0, definitely. That's why I have given the answer as right. D is equal to KS. I have also written C0, brother. But it will make C0. How it will make K100? It will not make K100, right? So what is the answer over here? C. Very good, guys. This is a factual question, Simpson's 1/3 rule. No. अरे नरेश जी भैया देखो, answer is C over here. C. This multiplying constant is also called as stadia interval factor. This is equal to F by I. Right? C is equal to F plus D, where F is the focal length of the objective, I is the stadia interval, and D is the distance or the horizontal distance between the vertical axis of the instrument and the focus of the objective. Right? The focus of the objective. So somehow we are making this as 0, but how this will be 100? How this will be 100? That's not necessary. Clear, everyone? Analytic lens will make C as 0, but it is not necessary that it will make K as 100. Generally, we have or we keep our instrument such that, or we manipulate with the instrument such that the value of K turns out to be 100. We make sure that, but that is not necessary. Yes, analytic length is given. Analytic length is given. I 100% agree with you that. So that's why C is becoming 0, na? But how K is becoming 100? It is not written anywhere. If analytic length will be there, K would be 100. See, K is F by I. Guys, you have to respect this. Clear? If analytic length is there, I do agree with you that C is 0 because it is being added to the instrument just to make C as 0. That is its basically role. Its role is not in any case involved with making K as 100. Please understand this and remember this. I guess I made my point clear to everyone. And guys, do hit the like button and share the session with your friends after the class, not in the class. I never ever tell, because no friend is important than your class. Agreed, everyone? Next question. This we have done. This is the question. Top dimension is 6 into 4 and bottom dimension is 4 into 2. Prismoidal rule. Right? Prismoidal rule. 6 meter deep tank. So A1 is 6 into 4, that is 24 meter square. A2 is 4 into 2, that is 8 meter square. Now guys, since in case of prismoidal rule we have to use 3 cross-sectional areas, right? My prismoidal rule tells that V is equal to D by 3 into A1 plus A2 plus 4 times of AM, that is cross-sectional area of middle section. Right? Now, in such a case, we need to assume one more section at the center. One more section at the center. So, AM. The value of AM would be taken as the multiplication of average of sides. So, one side is 6, another is 4. So, 6 by 4 by 2 into 4 plus 2 by 2. Right? So, this will turn out to be 5 and this will turn out to be 3. So, it will be 15 meter square. 15 meter square. Now guys, previously the distance between these two sections were 6 meter. But now we have taken one more section, so that will be how much? D would be, in this case, D would be how much? Now 3 meters. Right? Now it will be 3 meters. So 3 by 3 into 24 plus 8, right? Plus 4 into 15. This is 60, 60 and this is 32. 92 m cube. Answer will be Calcutta. Very good guys. Answer is Calcutta. Anybody having any doubt in this? Anybody having any doubt in this? Clear everyone? Next question. D value. Okay. D value. Fine. See, basically if I have the section right? 6 meter by 4 meter, right? Inside I have another section (4 meter by 2 meter), right? This is my 3D representation. No, D is not the total depth, Sudhanshuji. D is not the total depth. That is something separate. Now, basically, please try to understand, if I draw a cross section of this, right, then it would be how much? Six by 4. Right, and this height was how much? 6 meters as mentioned in the question. 6 meter deep. But in this case we would definitely have only two sections, that is A1 and A2. And prismoidal rule is applicable with odd number of section. Now to make the number odd, we require one more section, and that we took somewhere at the center. That we took somewhere at the center. Right? So since we took it somewhere at the center, AM, so now this D is the distance between the two cross section. D is the distance between two cross section, and how much that D will be? This D will be nothing but my 6 by 2 meters, that is 3 meters, right? Clear, everyone? D is not the total depth, Sudhanshuji. D is the distance between two cross sections. Shall I move to the next question, guys? Guys, do hit the like button. Good. This is the question. Question seems to be very lengthy, right? But no issues. Which of the following statement is rightly associated with the laws of weight in the theory of error? Okay. Laws of weight in the theory of error. Let me change pen to red. If an equation is multiplied by its own weight, then the weight of resulting equation is equal to reciprocal of the weight of the original equation. Yes, absolutely true. The weight of algebraic sum of two or more quantities is equal to the reciprocal of the sum of individual weights. No, guys. Basically, it is equal to the reciprocal of sum of reciprocal of individual weights. This is the case. Right? That's why this one is wrong. If the quantity of given weight is multiplied by a factor, then the weight of resulting quantity is obtained by dividing the original weight by the square root of that factor. No, it is not square root, rather it is square of that factor. Root is making this statement as wrong. If a quantity of given weight is divided by a factor, then the weight of resulting quantity is obtained by multiplying the original weight by the square of that factor. Yes, this is absolutely true. Right? 1 and 4, answer would be C. Answer would be C. Any doubt in this, guys? Clear? Next question. The principle of least square states that sum of the errors from the mean is minimum. Explain one, sir. Statement 1. If an equation is multiplied by its own weight. That's very easy. See, let us say you have angle A. Value is 60 degree. Weight is 3. Right? So 3A would be 180 degree. What would be the weight of 3? 3A, that will be 3 divided by 3 square. This is the original weight. This will be how much? 1 by 3. That's the clear. It's very simple. If you know the law 3 and 4, this is just an extension of it. If the equation is multiplied by its own weight, right? This was the weight, it was multiplied by its own weight because weight is a number. The resulting equation is equal to the reciprocal of the weight of the original equation. Yes, the reciprocal of the weight of the original equation. Previously the weight was 3, now it is 1 by 3. Fine. Now, what is the answer to this? Good guys, good. The principle of least square states that basically the principle of least square states that the sum of square of residual should be minimum. In case of observations of equal weight, when the observations are of unequal weight, then sum of product of weight and square of residual should be minimum. Right? That is, the sum of square of observations divided by the square of the number of observations has least error. No. Sum of squares of the error from the mean is minimum. The answer is B. Answer is B. Clear everyone? Answer is Bombay. Any issues? No, it is not square root. This is the principle of least square method. Shantanuji, this is the principle of it. Square root of sum of square of observations. Why square of observations? Right, this is something weird. I also don't know what is this. Just to make, yes, small v is residual error. Residual error. Or we can tell that this is most probable error. That is the difference between most probable, measured value minus most probable value. Measured value minus most probable value. Clear? Most probable value PMG, it means that that's value which is assumed to be, or it should be close to the true value. Because we don't know what is the true value in true aspect. In reality, we don't know the true value. Right. Next. Question number 34. A photograph was taken at an altitude of 1500 meter above MSL. Okay. The focal length of the camera is 20 centimeter. The scale of the photograph lying at an elevation of 500 meter. Fine. S is equal to F upon capital H minus small h. F is my focal length of the lens, that is 20 centimeter, 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2, divided by h is my flying altitude, that is from the datum, the height of sorry, the height of aircraft from the datum, that is how much? 1500. H is the elevation from the datum, elevation of the area from the datum, that is 500. So how much it will be? 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 sorry, divided by 1000. So what is the answer to this? D. Delhi. Yes, Shantnuji, Delhi. Right. Next. In a tilted aerial photograph, if the swing is 230 degree, then rotation angle is equal to sorry, I may tell you that rotation angle is nothing but angle of swing minus 180 degree, right? Minus 180 degree. So how much it will be? 50 degree, simply. Clear, everyone? Good. Next question. Please just look at this question and excuse me for a few seconds. Now, what is the answer? Pick out the correct statement for relief displacement in aerial photographs. Right now, look at the expression of relief displacement D. R H2 upon H minus H1. Right? Now, R is distance of top of image from principal point. H2 is height of object. H is flying height. H1 is elevation of base of object from datum. Right? This is our expression. So, it increases as the distance from principal point decreases. No, this is wrong. Because if R will increase, relief displacement will increase. Right? It is positive and radially outward for principal points above datum. Yes, absolutely true. It is positively and radially outwards for principal point below datum. This is wrong. It increases for the points vertically below the exposure station. Guys, for the points vertically below the exposure station, R will be 0. R will be 0, and right in that case it will be 0, completely 0. Like if I have this pen, right? So if I take the photograph of this pen from the top, it will look as a dot, right? So when it will look as a dot, basically its value would be, the relief displacement would be 0. Clear? Next question. Guys, are you enjoying the session? Are you enjoying the session? Everyone, please let me know in the comment box. This session is now more than 2 hours. Very good guys. And do like the session also. Do like the session also, everyone. Very good. Fine. Now this is the question. This is the question. Vertex, long chord point, tangent distance, external distance. Now the line joining the points of curvature and the points of tangency, right? That will be my B. So for B it would be 1. Back tangent and forward tangent, when extended, intersect at this. That will be vertex, right? 2. Distance between the midpoint of the long chord and the midpoint of the center of the curve. This will be my mid ordinate. Third statement. टाइम का पता नहीं चला, कोई बात नहीं पीएम जी, तो इसका मतलब मजे कर रहे हो, right? Third is my mid ordinate. Distance between point of tangency and the point of intersection. That is my tangent distance. So this is 4. Distance between the point of intersection and the middle point of curve. That is my apex distance or external distance. This is 5. 2, 1, 4, 5. So answer would be C. 2, 1, 4, 5. Good. Many of you have given the correct answer. Very good, guys. Next question. A circular curve of radius r connects two straight with a deflection angle of 60 degree. The tangent length is. So guys, tangent length T is equal to r tan delta by 2, right? R tan delta is how much? 60 degree. So tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is 0.577 r. Answer would be A. Answer would be A. Very good, Devlina ji. No, Shantanu ji. It will be A. It will be 1 by root 3. You are giving it for root 3, brother. Very good, everyone. Very good. Good, everyone. Very good. Next question. Which of the following linear methods of setting out a circular curve needs reference of center of the curve? Guys, very interesting question it is. Very interesting question it is. Can you let me know the answer? No, PMG. D is not the answer. Answer would be radial offset. See, in the method of radial offset, we need to take the offset in the radial direction. And we can know the radial direction if and only if I have the information about the center of the curve. Like basically this is my curve, right? This is my point of tangency or T1. This is my curve. This is my back tangent. Now, if I move a certain distance x along the back tangent, right, I may need to take offset OX. This is my center of the curve O. This is my center of the curve. This is the only method in which I should have the information about the center of the curve. Clear? Next question. The maximum value of centrifugal ratio on roads and railways. Please let me know the answer. Guys, please let me know the answer. Yes, for highway it is 1/4. For railway it is 1/8. Yes, very good everyone, very good. Proud of you guys. Next. The summit vertical curve is to be set joining +2% grade with -3% grade if tangents intersect at an elevation of 60 meter and the rate of change of grade is at -1% per 100 meter, then the elevation of the beginning point of the vertical curve is. Very good question. मसूर जी, मेरे क्लास कम क्यों आते हैं? The reason is this. In the present scenario, I told you, right? In cold conditions, I get hibernated first of all, and secondly, I have a very heavy load going on of paid classes right now. I have a very heavy load going on of paid classes right now. That's why. That is the reason, brother. Right. So hibernation is not the correct answer. The correct answer is the paid class overload. Very much overloaded over there. That's why. So what is the answer to this? See, first of all, in this case, I need to determine the length of curve. Right? So it will be +2% minus of -3% divided by -1% per 100 meter, right? There is no value of this minus value over here, so it is how much? 500 meter. So L/2 will be equal to 250 meters. This I will be requiring. पेड क्लास होती है बैजूस पे, ऐप पे चलती है, मतलब दोनों का वेबसाइट का भी इंटरफेस है और ऐप का भी, ब्राउजर का भी और ऐप का भी है। राइट, चलिए तो अब देखिए, बड़ा सिंपल सा सवाल है ये। राइट, ये वाला एलिवेशन कितना है? 60 मीटर। नाउ ये 250 है, ये भी 250 है और पूरा मिला के 500 हो गया। राइट, ये कितना था? 2% था। तो इसका RL कितना होगा? तो क्या मैं लिख दूं? RL होगा 60 माइनस 2/100 into 250, that is nothing but 55 meters। जवाब C हो गया। Clear guys? The very same question has been asked in GATE itself. Very important question. Clear? Good. सब इधर भाग गया, बड़ा धोखेबाज है ये। चलिए अगला सवाल। Guys, again a controversial question. Many people have doubt on this. The correct sequence of. Then the answer is A. Centering, leveling and orientation. Centering, leveling and orientation. Thank you, Pandey. Centering, leveling and orientation, this is the correct answer to it. Guys, we are in the last leg of our discussion. If you have liked the session, do hit the like button. Do hit the like button. सब इधर आ गया है। चलिए, for survey of a broken boundaries with a plane table, the most appropriate method will be, right? The question is the broken boundaries with the plane table. The most appropriate method will be Rituraj Maurya ji, you are absolutely right. Theodolite is not in syllabus of GATE, Masoor ji. You are absolutely right, but the point you try to understand, basically we are considering them as flat curves. Right, during the undergraduate program, we study only those curves which are flat curves, whose value is less than 4%. Right, then the assumptions or the derivations which we use, those are all for flat curves. So that doesn't matter. Right, there is not much difference between a curve of 2% and 3%. Very, very less difference. It is such less that it can be neglected. Clear? Yes, answer is Bombay. That is intersection. Absolutely, guys. Rituraji, is that clear? Rituraji, is that clear? During the setting up of vertical curve, we basically consider the curve as flat curve. Sharp curves are not in our syllabus. Right, that is the reason behind it. See, if you read that derivation in any book, right, they will write it as for flat curves. The assumption is flat curve. So please check that. Good. Okay. Next question. The method of plane tabling commonly used for establishing instrument station is a method of. Fine. Establishing instrument station. Can I have the answer? Radiation and resection. See, Santanu yes, answer is C over here. What is the radiation? In case of radiation, this is my some ground. I will keep my plane table in the center of the area. I will have the rays radiating from this point with the help of some LED. Right? Now, after that, I will measure these distances in the ground and I will cut it and I will get this shape. This is called as radiation. Right? This is called as radiation. Clear? Now, over here, we need to establish instrument station. For that, we have resection only. We need to establish instrument station. The method to establish instrument station is resection. Clear? This is the difference. Last question of today, guys. Last question of today. In a plane table survey, the plane table station position was to be fixed with respect to 3 reference points. It was found that one of the reference point was not visible. Okay, one of the reference point was not visible due to some obstruction. Initially, 3 reference points were taken. So it was therefore decided to make use the other 2 points only. Okay, make use other 2 points only. Which of the following statement is true regarding the determination of station's position? So guys, over here, can I tell that previously it was decided to solve it by 3-point problem, and now due to certain restrictions or due to the field conditions, unfortunately it has been converted into 2-point problem. This is the gist of this. Now we have to read these statements with respect to 3-point and 2-point. Previously it was 3-point, now it is 2-point. The work can be done faster in 2-point? No guys. Work is faster and accurate in 3-point problem. It is faster and accurate both in 3-point problem. 2 settings of plane table will be needed, but work will be accurate. Guys, this is absolutely true. 2 settings of plane table will be needed. But this portion, work will be accurate, this is wrong. The work in 3-point problem is more accurate and faster than 2-point problem. Only 1 setting of plane table is needed. However, work will be less accurate. Guys, work will be less accurate, this is right. But only 1 setting of plane table is needed, this is wrong. Because in 2-point problem, we require 2 setting of plane table. Right? So, this was right. So, ultimately this is wrong, ultimately this is wrong. Work will be less accurate and time consuming. Yes. So, answer will be Delhi. Answer will be Delhi. Everyone agreed to this? Yes or no? So guys, that's all in this session. It has been a complete 2.5 hour. Jarur Naresh ji, I will try my best to bring it as soon as possible. Right guys, so I hope so, and I believe, strongly believe that you guys have enjoyed this session. This has been 2.5 hour long session, exactly 2.5 hours. Right guys, so just have fun, take rest, and guys, after some point please again start studying. Right? Thank you everyone. Tomorrow I'll be bringing PERT and CPM for you for GATE exam. Same time, same place. Thank you Masoor ji, thank you. Thank you Shantanu ji, welcome Aman ji, Harita ji, welcome, Shantanu ji, welcome. Welcome Ritu ji. Devlina ji, welcome. Tasmiya ji, welcome. Welcome Garima ji. वेलकम अतुल जी. देखिए छोटे छोटे मिस्टेक से ही बड़े नंबर्स में फर्क पड़ जाता है पांडे जी, है ना. गयासुद्दीन जी वेलकम. मसूर जी, yes, tomorrow we'll be discussing. Thank you Shantanu ji, thank you for that. Thank you for that love and respect, brother. Thank you Khalisdan ji, thank you. So guys, I want you to like the session and share with your friends. That's it, and don't waste any of your more time now. Please take rest for some time and again start studying. Thank you guys, thank you very much. That's all from my side. Thanks a lot guys. Over and out from my side, and do prepare hard guys. Don't waste your a single minute. Thanks a lot guys. Over and out from my side. Jai Hind.